everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a group chat on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Instagram group conversations help users connect. They make it easier to meet people with similar interests. If members are no longer active, you may decide to delete group chats. This is also one of the several reasons to delete group chat. Open your Instagram app on your device. Tap the direct message icon in the upper right corner of the screen. On the chat page, long tap on the group chat you would like to delete. Tap on Delete. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon in our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.